right, let's look at equations for neutralization reactions. That's a reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water only. So if you have a base, let's say sodium hydroxide, oh Lord, hydroxide is written as O and H. Capital O and capital H, because O represents oxygen and hydrogen, H represents hydrogen, and it has a valency of 1. And let me write, I think I've said the drugs of the 6 and it has a valency of 2. So anyone I need to add, I'll just add it there. Alright, so let's say sodium hydroxide. This is hydroxide ion. Is a radical. Remember I said radicals are 2 elements or group of elements that exist as a single unit. So hydroxide ion is a radical and it has a valency of 1. So we have said sodium hydroxide. So write the symbol of sodium and write the symbol of hydroxide. Remember, metals are written first. So now let's look at the valency. Sodium has a valency of 1. Hydroxide also has a valency of 1. So this is our correct formula. We don't write 1. 1 exchange 1 is still 1. So we don't write 1. Then plus, let's say we are combining with hydrochloric acid. Anyway, if this is a base, it's an aqueous solution. Alright? Hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, hydrochloric, hydrogen, chlorine, from the name. Hydrochloric, hydrogen and chlorine. And whenever you hear acid or alkali, so this alkali, it's in aqueous solution. Aqueous, we write AQ to represent aqueous. Alright, so here, remember, is to form salt and water. So this sodium, just have it in the back of your mind, this division here. So this takes this and this takes this. So sodium and chlorine plus H, 2H and 1O will give us H2O. But you already know that a neutralization reaction forms salt and water. You already know the formula of water, H2O. So in that way, you already know one particular product that you get, no matter what happens. So that's it. So for you to know the salt is from your equation. But I'm just showing you how it came about. Now let's see if it's balanced. So you have sodium, 1 sodium, 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine. So it's a balanced equation. Alright, so let's look at an interesting reaction where